all types of sneezes. The popular girl.
Oh my god. Huh? Chill.
The cringy boys. That was good for it. The one who drops everything.
Chill. Oh no, I just dropped them.
Oh, God. That was for a joke. The nerd.
Oh my god. What?
Please. The eating
Oh
one.
my god, I spit out. Where is it? Oh my god.
The unlistening.
Oh, that's such a good
The picture.
Oh my god, I lost paper. Where is it? Oh my god. Hang on, I got it.
The get ready with me, girl.
Oh my god. Nice twist sneeze. God, redo that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment down below what your sneeze is like. Mine is a quiet sneeze because I don't like sneezing in front of people.